Welcome to our construction division at WMC, where we make the products essential to our country's infrastructure and our everyday lives. We aim to exceed the expectations of our customers and discover ways to better serve them. We are not only committed to quality, we are committed to you and your business. As we grow together with our suppliers, customers, and associates, we use our experiences to find ways to become better partners. We dedicate time and effort to streamlining our processes and providing you with the best service in the shortest amount of time, but never sacrificing quality. Our service-oriented nature allows us to be attentive to your needs and offer you custom solutions. By understanding your needs, we can work together to fulfill them and ultimately develop stronger and better products than our competition. Ever since our company was founded, we believe that construction is the true foundation of civilization. At times, construction becomes an art that transcends generations, and sometimes it constitutes the means through which giant leaps into the future can be made. We have always wanted to be a part of something bigger, and now that we are, we wish to be the best at what we do. As we speak, our workforce is crafting the best products for you, such as our standard mesh. This product is made from high-quality wire that is offered in 4x4 or 6x6 grids by welding them together at specific intervals. It is commonly used for residential and lightweight commercial concrete reinforcement. We passionately pursue innovation as it always translates into higher efficiency and lowering costs for our customers' projects. We put forth effort and dedication every step of the way, whether it's working on soil reinforcement, precast decks, bridge beams, or median barriers. We offer our structural mesh in sizes ranging from D4 up to D31, with variable and fixed spacing for specific and custom applications. WWR ensures accuracy of spacing and can be produced to obtain a higher yield up to 80 KSI. We have perfected our processes in order to provide you with a product that can increase the lifetime of your concrete structures. Our uncoated PC strand is composed of 7 high-carbon steel wires that are cold-drawn, stranded, and stress-relieved, and can be used for structures such as stadiums, bridges, and parking decks. Traditionally used in battered walls and foundations, our pencil rod is a straight wire drawn into quarter-inch rounds in specified length. This product can replace number 2 rebars. Our rack deck products are ideal for all types of bulk material storage. We can manufacture this product to meet your specifications and requirements. Our standard finish is a gray powder coat, and we can provide hot-dipped galvanized finish upon request. Proudly American-made. Using sustainable practices, we transform steel from one form to another to help our customers make the products that are essential to our country. WMC was first founded in Jacksonville, Florida in 2003, and we are now headquartered in The Woodlands, Texas. Our plants span across the USA in Illinois, California, Texas, Florida, South Carolina, and Pennsylvania, further improving our service standards. We are the construction division, where we help WMC's mission to reinforce the world to build dreams.